Singing.
Yeah, this is Toots the Maytals.
Eternal Father, bless our land.
Toots is my nickname and I never like it. I still don't like it up to now, but I give myself and share it with my two friends this name called Maytal, M-A-Y-T-A-L, Maytal, because we just believe that name is a original name that no one can test.
Rise up, Jamaicans.
Dancing, singing, getting crazy, show off. That's me. I'm a show off guy.
Everybody say yeah.
Very shy. That's why when I perform, I have to do the impossible things to let people away, you know. Festival in Jamaica is very important to all Jamaicans. And I must tell you that I won 3 festivals competition already, which is Bam Bam. I think it's Sweden Dandy. And Pumps and Pride.
Everybody just cry, no, happy pumps and a pride.
Festival, when it first started, was really a happy scene. Everybody just want to hear a good song that the children can sing. You know, it's like every artist could be a star. It's a great things in Jamaica for everybody.
I want you to know that I am the man.
Those days we get 14 cents for the record to play on the radio. And that's all we got. And I get 3 shillings and 5 shillings for #1 songs, which I had 31 #1 record in Jamaica.
Soon you will find out the man I'm supposed to be.
Maybe I got that recognition through Bam Bam, and then I keep on getting more recognition to all this rest of songs that I sung.
Won't you rise up, Jamaica?
It's not about money for me, it's about the quality that Jamaicans need to go back in the festival jamboree. It is a good thing.
From the foundations of love.
Yeah, the ingredients of a good festival song is good rhythm, good words. No words that's to be in this festival song that you use already in any other songs, because that won't be special.
See all those little children walking on the sidewalk, singing festival songs.
It's supposed to be a very catchy song, powerful words. Anyone want to make festival big again, you got to make it that the children can understand it. You have to talk to the children. It's all about love in Jamaica also.